So it's been raining now about 20 minutes of absolute downpour. And I'll show you what happens in my front lawn and driveway specifically. And I do not think there's a solution that can keep up with this as far as a pump. That is my driveway. It is probably 2 feet deep, maybe 3. I have a catch basin located right there at the left point of it. Mailbox being the right point of it. That catch basin is 2 or 3 feet underwater. I have a 4-inch pipe going underground that leads to a sump basin with a Zoller M98 that is about 2 feet underwater. Point being is, if I had a 6-inch pipe, if I had a 12-inch pipe, when it's doing this, it doesn't seem possible to keep up. If I had 2, 3, 4 pumps, I just don't see it happening. What I'm looking for is a solution that will help clear it out quickly when it stops raining. Because right now, this will take a good hour to dry out. That pump will just keep cycling, the 4-inch pipe will keep taking water to it. And that takes too long in my opinion. I don't think there's anything that we could do to fix this during an absolute torrential downpour like this. But I want to clear it out more quickly. So I want to get a 6-inch system going underground and heading to a, I want a sump system with a large chamber. I have some 15-inch culvert pipe I'm going to attach to it. And that way, when the rain does stop, the driveway clears out within minutes rather than an hour. Love to hear your comments and thoughts, but I just do not see any solution that could keep up with something like this.